Willkommen! Channel 10 Weather Report with Mary Findlay. Heute in Stockholm in Sweden ist es heute schneebedeckt. Es sind -3 Grad Celsius. Am Morgen es ist windig, sehr windig. Am Mittag wird es sehr kalt sein. Am Abend wird es viel Eis geben. In der Nacht der Wind sehr stark. Sie können in Ihrem Haus bleiben. Warm bleiben. Trinken Sie Tee oder Kakao. Morgen wird es besser. Yes, tomorrow you can put on your sunglasses and bundle up and head outside and play in the snow because there will be plenty on the ground. We will be having a lot of snow, but today stay indoors because it's too windy to be safe. Take a look at live action from camera 12 out in the field here in Stockholm. We've got cars that are trapped. We've got emergency rescue vehicles having to help people who have gotten into accidents on the freeway. You need to be like this little girl, my little niece. Stay inside. Look at the storm from the safety and warmth of your home. Make sure you have your winter storm safety emergency kit. You've got your list of emergency contacts. You need to have your first aid kit. You need to have plenty of bottled water. And make sure you have wood or fuel for your stove or your heater. Stay warm. Keep a lot of blankets with you. You might also want to make sure you have a flashlight with extra batteries, candles, matches, and a lighter because we know with these heavy winter storms, blizzard-like conditions can bring power outages. Make sure you have plenty of non-perishable food that won't go bad, food for your pet too. And if you have a cell phone, which most of you do, make sure you also have some sort of extra charger or external battery. Stay safe, stay warm, stay inside, Stockholm.